Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to log into the Canva application on your mobile device. To log into Canva, first of all, go ahead and download and open up the Canva application on your mobile device. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this page. From this page, select one of the options to continue to sign up for a free account, or if you already have an account, choose one of the options that you previously used for signing up to Canva and you will be logged in as well. If you've previously used Apple ID, you will need to do the same here. Select one of the login methods and tap on it. I'm choosing Continue with Email. Now, enter your email address in the text box. Once done, click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will need to enter your verification code sent to you via email. Open up your email inbox and you will be able to see the code received from Canva. Paste in the code in the text box and you will be logged into your Canva account just like that. You will now be directed to your Canva home screen with your saved designs. That's how you easily log into your existing Canva account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.